Hi everyone, welcome to Patterns Decoder channel. My channel is about technical analysis, news and reviews on cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple and YGRX WRX token. My interest is to find similar patterns in market and analyze it. Patterns are formed by the psychological behavior between the buyers and sellers. Patterns are everywhere in the universe and nature. We need to understand which one is applicable to us. I believe and study the following theories: Fibonacci ratios, wave theory, and time price analysis. If you are new to my channels, please click on subscribe button for weekly updates on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and YGRX WRX token. Hi everyone, welcome to weekly update on BTC USDT pairing. In this video, I am going to explain what the BTC USDT is going to happen for the next few weeks and whether the altcoin season is going to happen, what is the indication we have to check and whether indication has been happening or not, and what the XRP is doing and what BTC is doing. Let us have a quick glance of what's going on here. This was posted by me on like October 28th. This post I have explained because of some reasons I'm unable to explain the video. Please have a look of these patterns, the green box, and at present we are in this, we haven't started the November. If you observe this entire pattern, this pattern I have explained in the previous video what is going on here, where we are right now. See, if you observe this is similar to here, and this flash crash which happened in the August is similar to the flash crash which happened in the 2 days back. And at present we are in a scenario, this entire green box, okay, if you observe this pattern, it almost similar to in a different manner, like patterns always similar way it happens, but it rhymes in a different manner. Just if you have to observe this is the scenario when the altcoin season happens, when in the like in the starting of the market it will run, in the consolidation or sideways it can fly away, on the top of the market the BTC of the BTC altcoin season happens. Let us see whether it has been happened or not. When the last altcoin season happened in 2018, okay, in 2018 it has been happened in 2017 December and 2018 top. So according to me, we are at going to top at $16,000 or in between here. I'm not saying exact pricing, nobody cannot predict, difficult to predict the exact pricing, but I am saying this range, continuously speaking, from the $10,000 to the entire bull run. I have been in the bull phase from the $10,000 and $6,000 to this $14,000 and $16,000. Just observe why I am being bullish, and at present scenario I am thinking in, if altcoin season starts at this point, I am bearish, and then I am bullish for the next few weeks. I am bearish afterwards in the December, mid of December, something like that. See, if this pattern plays out and already is playing out, if you observe this light blue color, okay, the same crash has been happened, and again the BTC is going to regain here. See, this similar pattern can play out, and the entire BTC structure can go up to $16,000. After that it will go for the correction phase, and again the retracement will happen. This is the exact thing, this scenario, okay. If I'm not saying the exact date, the similar pattern I'm saying. Don't think about the exact date, just we have to observe the pattern when it can happen faster and it can delay also. So but we have to observe the pattern. Once you observe the pattern, this is the key point which you have to observe. From this phase to this phase, the alt season can happen. Okay, let us see, is there any indications is going on with the BTC dominance. We have to observe this is the weekly chart of market dominance of BTC. Okay, see here, if you observe this pattern, okay, I'm just showing you. Okay, if you observe this three-way structure, 1 like 0 0 1 2 3 4, and this final, this is the top, okay, for BTC dominance. And see, it is crashing like anything. If you observe the stock RSI, see here, where are we at present scenario? So everybody is saying that okay, we are going for the all season, okay, it has been fashioned. First we have to observe where at the stock RSI and MACD is going on. See, MACD is below the zero level, okay, that is first point, and it is like in a bearish condition. And stock RSI, if you observe this, see where exactly it is. See, it reached the 100 percentage. So if once it crosses the blue line, crosses to bearish crossover happens, see, then the all season begins. And everybody knows, see how much time it has been spending there. See, once hit just 1 week, just not at all, not at all, and not at all, just 1 or 2 days. We are exactly in the right time for the all season, I can say. So this is the most possibility chances that we are going to soon see the big all season that everyone is eagerly waiting for that. So let us see this chart whether it has been happened. See this. I'm very much shocked, and I think maybe I am the first one for showing this video. See this bearish candle, big bearish candle. This red candle, if you observe this 4 hours chart, see, this is the indication for the, I can say, like first thing is weekly chart showing the bearish conditions for the market dominance of BTC, and this is a real all season. And candle, if you see the entire flash down to this like up to 43, okay, market dominance, and this begins the season for altcoins. So just wait and see, observe what can happen. Just I think it can happen anytime from now. Like already also showing like XRP. If you observe the XRP ratio, it is at the support level. See, it has been reversing. The starting has been reversing. So I'm expecting that in the December, how many days we can expect? That is the first question. Okay, if altcoin season starts, like it can be up to 30 days, it can be up to 60 days, it can be up to 77 days or 80 days or something like that, like very short term. So we have to know whenever the altcoin season starts, XRP will rally, and just see and observe what is the most possible scenario. I already clearly explained that the next possibility scenario is 0.5 to $0.65, the next resistance levels. See this 0 point level, this like resistance level is there, and 0.65. If you observe, it's like 0.6 60 to 65 level, very crucial level, and everybody has to ready with your bags and don't panic in the situations, because yesterday what happened, like everybody is like panic situation, and everybody fear that maybe already not all normal guys, like human psychology, like because of 10% crash, 15% crash, everybody has been like sold out their altcoins at the lower pricing. But this is the right time to buy, just according to my own opinion, because we are going to see the real all season. So that's what I'm saying, because the BTC dominance is a very key indicator, and the indication already came just at present, like 4 hours before, I think. So how much time exactly? Just I think at the exact time of like 5:30 of you can see this 8 hours before. So I think in the, it is clearly indication, and I'm very happy to share this information, and I'm ready to, like tomorrow maybe I with the salary I want to just have a grab some of the altcoins like XRP and WRX or something. So this is the thing which I want to share you, and get ready with the other charts also. So I already explained you in this video, Coin is ready to begin, and BTC is going for the range for next few days, like November 20th and December 12th, December flash spark tokens, and December 20th. These are the three crucial dates which I am thinking that we can see a very good pricing in the markets. And after that, be cautious, be ready, and to exit the market, because there is a, I'm not saying the long term ratio BTC is entirely bullish, but the short term, that we have to be very cautious to grab the profits. So I am saying that for the next, this entire November month, I am very bullish on the December. Where I am expecting that in the mid of December it will be bullish, and after that we are going to top the all season, and we are going to have the bearish like 30%, 20% correction in the BTC, as well as the entire correction for the altcoin market also. After that we have to get the support for the BTC, and again the bull trend continues for the entire 2021. This is my entire long-term chart, and this is I'm going to explain from the last few months. I'm explaining the same scenario, and I think this video will be helpful for you to check your decisions and your own decisions. um, I think I'm not a financial advisor, and the videos in my channel is not a financial advice. I request you to do diligence before investing in any cryptocurrency exchange, ICO and IBO. I don't take any responsibility for profit or loss, and I will not be liable in any case. Invest only the amount which you afford to lose, as crypto is very high volatility and high risky. And follow my Twitter account Patterns Decoder, and join my Telegram channel for the daily updates and weekly updates. Thank you everyone.